going on, guys? Man, look at this. I'm at a bridge right now about to do some magnet fishing. That's the bridge right there that I pulled out the gun right after I pulled out the bomb. But yeah, man, let's see what we got in here. When I told the cops about this gun right here, they said you only found one. So that makes me want to come and do some more, guys. So stay tuned. Let's see what we can get out of here. Yeah, let's go, baby. Got my magnet back. I'm so excited, guys. So I'm about to toss it for the first time after it was stuck in the ocean for, I don't know, a week or two. But anyways, let's go, baby. If you need a magnet, guys, just check out the link in the description and let's go ahead and get to throwing. First toss. I got something on my magnet right there, right there. I don't know what that is. Something metallic just snagged onto it. Oh yeah, I got something. Pulling it up now, right out of the muck. Come on, baby. Oh yeah. What the heck is this? Oh man, what do I got on this magnet? I feel weight to it. I don't know what it is though. What is that? Oh my goodness! Are you serious? Look at that, guys! It's a parking meter! Oh man! Look at that! Oh! Is that awesome? Whoa! It's a parking meter! Wow, guys, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh man. Yeah. Wow. Check this out, guys. Man, 25 cents, 10 cents, and a nickel. Wow, that is so cool. It's a parking meter. Look at that thing. That is awesome. I don't know if it has any money in it, but we'll see. Yeah, yeah. Nickel, dime, and quarter right on the top. Wow. That's so cool. Yeah, it is. There's probably coins up inside of it too. Wow. So guys, this is my first item that I pulled out of there, and look at it. It's friggin' producing, man. Wow, that's amazing. Let's see what we got on this one. No way. Is that a sword, guys? No. Okay. Man, that was pretty cool. I thought it was a sword. Look at that. It does look like a sword at first, but it's just crust. That's all it is, just crust right there. So let's see what's underneath all this crust. Ah, you know I gotta bang it, right, guys? Brockton's gotta bang it, baby. Yeah, just a big piece of metal. It's an old piece, but I don't know what it is. Look at this, guys. No way. Look it. I kid you not. I can't make this up. Whoa. It's an old rotary phone, guys. What? So I pulled this guy up. It's a meter. And then my second throw, guys, I pull up a friggin' rotary phone. Really? You've got to be joking me here. Wow. That's amazing. What's going on, man? Look at that freaking pocket meter.
Oh, really?
Is that awesome?
Oh, that's actually pretty cool.
An old rotary phone too.
Oh, nice.
First pull, second pull.
Just using a big magnet?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh yeah.
It's a fun hobby.
Oh, it is. You'll get dirty.
Yeah.
But it is super fun.
And you do a little bit of cleaning too while you're doing it. That's
oh yeah, absolutely.
Nice.
I take everything with me, brother.
Awesome.
Yep. Take everything with me. I bag it up and I bring it in the van with me.
Enjoy. That's what this
Thank you. Take care, brother. That's a heavy thing, I know that. What do I have on my magnet? Oh man, holy crap. I got some kind of bike. Wow, that's an old bike right there, guys. Wow-ee. Holy cow. Most of it's coming off. Oh man, are you kidding me? Oh man, that sucked. All right guys, I got something else on my magnet. Let's go ahead and bring it in and see what we got. Ah, we got some kind of pipe or something. Oh, what is that? What do we got here? What is that? Some kind of pipe and an elbow. Oh yeah, that's copper. That's a copper pipe, baby. And we have, no way, got a nice little pipe here. I don't know what that is, what kind of pipe that is. Then we got a clamp right there. All right, hold on, I think we lost it. Oh, we got something now. What is that? Oh yeah, that's heavy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's heavy. That feels like the safe that I was on last time. Oh man, I dropped it. No, I think it let go, but I might have something on my magnet still. Oh yeah, there's something.
looks like a really strong magnet.
It is. It is definitely a strong magnet. What is that? All right, guys, I have no clue what that is. Drop it down in the comments and let me know what the heck that is. I really don't know. Maybe it's an old chain or something? No, that's not a chain. That's solid metal. Let me bang the other side of it and see. Oh, it's a wrench. Look at that, guys. It's some kind of wrench. That is so cool. Probably from like the train or something like that. Oh, wow. Who would have thought?
I thought it's something like a crank. Like the engine crank has the same shape, but it's not that. It's not that.
Yeah, no, it's got a handle. Yeah. Want to check out my channel? I'm Brockton Magnet Fisher.
You do that, yeah. What's that?
Brockton. I'm on YouTube and TikTok.
Can you spell that?
Brockton, B-R-O-C-K-T-O-N space M-A-G, and I'm right there.
Oh, that's it.
That's me right there.
Oh, that's so nice. Sure, we'll just definitely check it.
Not bad, right?
Yeah. All right, enjoy your magnet.
Hey, thank you, man. I don't want to get you guys dirty because you'll go get dirty.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah.
Take care, guys.
I hope you really get that thing like you were like.
Oh, I'm gonna. I just cleaned my magnet. Actually, you just reminded me of that. It was right over here. I'm gonna drop it straight down and try to get that. There we go. It's a neodymium magnet.
back.
All right, take care, guys. Thank you so much.
Subscribe.
I appreciate that. All right, I got something on my magnet. Let's check it out, see what it is. Couple things. It looks like there's some crustified stuff on it, guys, and it looks like part of a carriage. What is this, guys? Oh, I got a couple things on my magnet. I had some other thing, I don't know what it was, but a lot of pieces of something on there. What is all that? So I got a big spike. That's a big spike. Or something. Maybe that's not a spike. It looks like a handle. I need to look at this. I need to look at this more, guys. Is this a spike? It's kind of weird that a rope is on it. Maybe it is a spike. Maybe I'm overthinking things. Let me check. Let me bang it. Brockton gotta bang it. Yup. Look at that. Nice bar. There you go. Nice little rod right there. Can actually use that for a pry bar or something. Just a whole bunch of stuff, maybe from the carriage, guys. I don't know what that is. Oh, yep, it's from the carriage. You see the shiny? Super shiny. That's the carriage. What is that, guys? Don't worry, just a pipe.
No, I'm just curious. What's that?
Not a bomb this time.
No, but there was one before.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, did you get it?
What, in Needham?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was me.
Was you?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah. Take care.
Fun.
Brockton Magna-Fisher.
Nice.
Thank you, brother. Guys, I was scared. I thought this was like a bomb, but it's not. It's just a pipe. Thank God. Wow. Good stuff. Getting it out of the water, baby. All right, guys, I'm feeling a heavy thing on my magnet now. Let's check it out and see what we got. What is that? What is that? Huh. Guys, it's a pipe attached to a brick. What? Wait a minute. That's round on the bottom, guys. I don't know, guys. Let's go ahead and bang on it. You know, Brockton got a bang. Let's go, baby. Let's bang on it and see what happens. I know, right? Crazy guy banging on it, right? Not gonna blow up, guys, don't worry. It's okay, relax. I'm a professional. I'm a professional. We're gonna use this to ream the hole. Anyways, look at that, guys. There's your window weight right there. Bam! Thank you, my brother, Jason from Motor City Magnet Fishes. He let me know that this right here is a window weight. I was like, Jay, man, I don't know. It's like tape it, it's rounded off. I was thinking window weight at first, but then I was like, probably not. Let me call Jason. He's a professional. So he said there should be an eyelet on the other side. So that's what it was. Just a window weight, guys. Relax, calm down, all right? All right, guys, that does it. We're all set. I got everything bagged up, all ready to go. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope that you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.